Hey y'all, it's Mona Lisa. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today, not naked, but about to take a bath. Today, Today I am going to be trying out some new skincare. It's something my sister conjured up. I'm gonna be trying it like for a while to see if it gets rid of these dark marks, dark areas. I'm also gonna use it on my chest and on my back, on my dark marks. Okay, so it's gonna look a little crazy when you see it because I basically freaking crushed it because it's like really soft texture, still in the making. But I put it inside of this bag with a new scrubbing glove I got from the Dollar Tree. It says citrus infused. I didn't open it and smell it to see if like that was accurate, that it's citrus infused, but I know my sister's soap smells amazing. So right now you guys are about to see me use that on my face, but I will be using it on my body as well and keeping y'all updated. So I'm gonna try to do this for like 4 weeks, a month. So I'm gonna give y'all a month update. So I'm gonna be using this soap. So that's what I'm gonna do with getting this. So right now it's checking out the lather, like how it lathers. This is pretty much what I got, a little sudsy. Smells great. I did just wipe off my makeup, so going in with my hands first. For whatever reason, I don't really have a skincare routine or a perfect skincare routine. It does actually feel like, I don't know if it's stuff in here that like helps exfoliate, but while I'm rubbing it in, I do feel like it has that capability to give me a light exfoliation. I don't even know if wow, got a good lather, like a pretty good lather, but yeah, I don't even know if I should exfoliate my face really hard because I typically do, and you probably can't see, but I'm getting a little red under my eye. My nose, like, I can't really tell what I'm smelling. Like, I can't tell what's mixed in this, so I'm really gonna have to ask her what is in this. I think that is pretty good. Really good, actually. I can't tell if I have a lot of makeup still left on my skin. Right now I am using a bit of warm water. Now gonna go in with the exfoliating glove. I'm gonna rinse this off with cold water now. I think I did a pretty good job. You know, I don't have one of those things that's trimming right now, like where people drop the soap in here, but I'm gonna do that, and maybe I'll wash like that in the soap. Okay, this is how my skin looks after the first wash with it. I feel like my skin looks brighter, but maybe that's just because I didn't see my face for a minute or two. Here I am. I don't think my iPad has the best quality, but yeah, I will show you guys my back after I'm done with my bath. So, hey, I am out. I'm not sure how good this lighting is, y'all, for real. To show you my, I got a mess on the floor. To show you my skin, let's try this. Yo. Well, I turned around the first time in the bathroom just to know if it looks super clear. Like, oh, all the dark marks are gone. It's just because the camera is low quality in here. So, how about I just look in the mirror and let you know. Definitely still have a lot of dark marks, but you really cannot see them on camera, and that sucks. But I will just keep updating you. I don't know how many times a week I will use the soap. I will ask her a few questions about it right now, like how strong is it, how often should I use it, like is it safe to use morning and night. Some people wash their face morning and night. Sometimes I just get the feeling like, oh, I should like need to wash my face, so I'll wash my face. But I don't just throw water on my face or scrub my face with soaps and stuff all the time. I just know most of the time when I do wash my face, I scrub it, or I use the little face scrubber you guys have seen me use. I hadn't been wearing makeup often lately, so yeah, I hadn't been doing intense facial routine, skincare routine, ritual, whatever you want to call it. So, if you think it's a dark mark there, know that it's a dark mark there. Here. Like, I don't know. Not sure why the camera quality doesn't look too good. So, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and